The moment I laid eyes on it, I was really amazed because the hardware looks very futuristic, very sleek. Then when I tried it, I was very impressed. It was so clear, and when they put the light down to 5%, it was still as clear as 50%.
With the very small amount of light, with the digital system and 3D, it is easier for patients when we are doing cataract surgery.
My first impression was it was very ergonomic. I've used other 3D visualization systems before. I really appreciated the C-shaped arm.
I love all the details, the viewing, and the ergonomic.
The fatigue factor is a big plus. You get less fatigue if you look at the screen straightforward rather than looking down.
The details were so clear and precise, and there was no lag. The quality is superb.
The quality is better using the Proveo 8 because it's very detailed, and we also can pick for mode, the monochrome or the cool one or warm and high contrast. So I think it's very complete. As a surgeon, we can pick which one is the best or suits for ourselves.
I think what Leica has done is making the system work in both ways, both digitally, also analogically with traditional eyepieces.